cat. First I'm going to try this method here. We're normally going from the side. A couple drops on his tongue. Don't put it straight back. Let him lick it. Maybe a couple more. It's going to be kind of a messy thing. But with Mickey, I've tried to train him that he'll take it from the front. If I do it on his tongue, just a couple of drops at a time. So he's been very cooperative. So just see how slowly I'm pushing the plunger. Just a drop or two on his tongue so he can lick it. And he's not going to aspirate. I'm kind of aiming for this little dip there, the philtrum. Come here. I need some more. Get some of the air bubbles out. Mickey, try some more. Okay? Try some more. How's that? Oh, there you go. Good boy. Good Mickey. Good Mickey. Just a couple more drops, buddy boy. I know. Okay, finished? Okay. And that's it, just a little cleanup. And he'll get the rest. And there you have it, syringe fed kitty.